Stephen Veals, and I'm the founder and CEO of Healthcare Strategies and Solutions. Well, I've got 40 years in healthcare, 20 of them as a successful CEO of high-profile musculoskeletal and orthopedic and spine groups. We specialize in providing highly successful turnkey imaging projects of all types. That includes radiology, ultrasound, CT, MRI, mammography, and ABIS. The Steamboat Orthopedics project has been both challenging and highly exciting. We're managing the remodeling of a 27,000 square foot former retail building. We're transforming it into a high-quality, patient-centric facility housing orthopedists, spine surgeons, and we've implemented a state-of-the-art MRI and radiology imaging center. We really work hard to negotiate with the vendors of all types to get every piece of this that we need to get done in the most cost-effective manner possible. Once the MRI is installed, we partner with our clients in a vast number of ways, but it has to start with an in-depth analysis of the data from that practice. It's very rewarding to be involved in an imaging project in a rural corner of America. I've heard people tell me how excited they were that the cost of the imaging was much less than in a large hospital setting. It was much more exciting to know that the radiology technologist was their neighbor. It was very exciting that they had the interpretive diagnostics in that community that was once only reserved for the larger metropolitan areas.